Hi, to use Dictation for messages on Google Pixel Watch Free, firstly make sure that app Google Messages is installed on both your phone and your watch. Now we need to press this crown to open list of apps, scroll down and find Messages. Tap it and then find Chat with your friend. And here simply tap on this microphone icon for voice input. We need to tap it and then select voice to text and say aloud everything we want to transform into a text. Tap this check mark and then tap this button to send this message. Or we can erase changes and even add more information and then tap this check mark to stop listening our voice. And then tap send to send this message. As an alternative way, we can ask Google Assistant to send message to your friend and then simply say aloud this message. Let's try this out. I'm gonna trigger my Google Assistant by saying, "Hey Google, send message to Maddie."
What's the message?
Hi there.
Sending a message to Maddie saying hi there.
And now this message is sent. So that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.